Anant Deoras here at Properties. In this video, we're going to be talking about, we're at the home stretch, folks. You've gone through attorney and inspection review. You've made it out. The appraisal was approved. And now you're in the period of basically the meat of the loan contingency until we get to closing. So what's going to be happening? Your lender may ask you for some additional documents. Lender typically has a team, so there's like a loan processor. He may have a loan assistant. So you may have several people getting a hold of you. And so really what I recommend to my buyers here is I know there's a lot of stuff going on. You have your work, you may have your family, you may have your friends, but be on top of it. Be responsive. And me as a kind of project manager, managing the lender, the seller's attorney, the listing agent, your attorney, I'll also be on top of it and help you with that. So if lender can't get a hold of you, I may reach out to you. Make sure you get the information that they need, so to make sure that the closing is as stress-free as possible. And that's very difficult to say. There is going to be a little amount of stress, but our job is to alleviate that stress as much as possible. So that's really going to be the meat of getting those documents. Don't go out and buy a boat, okay? But be responsive, answer any of the final lender questions that you may have. From my perspective, I may be doing any final due diligence, getting you some association information if you wanted to reach out and talk about any move-in fees and maybe possibly potentially schedule your move-in. We're not at closing yet, but you can get those questions kind of proactively answered while you have a little time. So that's kind of the period right out of the attorney review before closing, that middle area, that's the loan contingency. Your property will not be approved until the loan is approved, all right? So, and typically anywhere from 5 to 7 days, depending on how we structure the contract, right, you're going to have a contingency date. And that contingency date, you must have a loan approval. A lot of times, that it doesn't happen for various reasons. We can always ask for an extension, but typically, usually 5 to 7 days before closing, that's that big major milestone, okay? By that contingency date, your loan needs to be approved. Your lender will submit it, assuming that underwriting approves your loan, and that will be sent to all the parties on the listing side and the buyer side. I hope you found this video to be beneficial to you.